confirmed our thinking. Thank you very much. As we go to round 2, bike gambling. Stevie Wong to jump back here in the saddle. He is amped up and ready.
In the matchup, Newport dialed 822, average at 755. So head start left lane for the mat code. Tool sponsored ride. Goes red by 6 thousandths of a second. Automatic win to Patrick. For more than Suzuki, 924 in winning fashion, kind of coasting through there. But nonetheless, it'll be Package on to the third round of Sled Bike Gambler.